There's nothing really that compares with just this feeling that you get when you're just experiencing the world.
I mean, it makes you feel small and really fortunate to be a part of it in some way.
In some ways, sort of standing on a mountaintop or experiencing, something really grand. It dwarfs you, but it also extends so far beyond you, but that's almost okay. I just come to realize that when I'm happiest is when I'm just entirely sober in nature.
People who don't get a chance to immerse themselves in nature will inherently not have as much of an innate sense of responsibility to protect their environment. Living in the city sometimes weighs on you, you know? You feel stuck, you feel trapped.
Always something going on. There's always people everywhere that you go. Life is very fast. Everything moves very fast. People move very fast. People don't acknowledge each other because they're so busy going from one place to the next.
You look at it and you're like, is this going to be my entire life? Am I going to be living in a city my entire life, always running just from home to work?
Living in a city, it's all destruction. We're just constantly throwing up these high rises. We're just constantly dumping our trash on the ground.
People who grow up in the city may not understand how detrimental our city life is to nature. I fall asleep every night to the sound of ambulances and fire trucks and car horns and people, and it's a very different backdrop.
That's why they call it the concrete jungle, I guess.
There are those little spots, and if you're willing to find them and look for them, they're there. And there are other people who know about them and are enjoying them too. So I think you just have to kind of look.
You get used to finding your own little safe haven within the city.
It's a little reprieve from the hustle bustle and just the craziness that is my life.
I think one thing that should be emphasized is the need for balance. Both are possible, both in a lot of ways to the human person are very necessary.
Seattle does a pretty good job getting people back to the earth within the urban setting where we have already made our home.